Hi, this is Adam from Times. Today we'll be looking at creating bill transactions and managing your bill records. In this video we'll cover how to create or record a bill, how to view and add items to a bill, how to edit your bill records, and how to duplicate, delete, or export your bills. Let's get started. To create or record a bill, I'll click the New Bills button. A modal pop-up opens where I can either type in the bill details or upload the bill using the attach icon. For quick processing, keep uploads within 15,000 characters, about 100 entries, or a maximum of 10 pages. This helps the system process your data faster. In this case, I'll type in my bill details. As you can see, I've asked Adam to record this bill, including the vendor, amount, items, taxes, due date, and other necessary details. Once I click Send, Adam processes the information, and the bill is recorded successfully. To view the items that make up this bill, I'll click on the Total Amount field of the record. As you can see, Adam displays the list of items, quantities, prices, and tax details exactly as I entered them. If you want to add more items to the bill, click the plus icon on the action column. A new row opens where you can record an additional item, the name, quantity, account, amount, and other details. Once you are done, click Save. The bill total updates instantly. It's important to note that all fields on the bills table are editable. You can change the bill title, bill number, or even the due date, giving you the flexibility to make changes where needed. Now, let's look at performing actions on bills. If I select a record using the checkbox, the Row Action button activates. From here, I can choose to duplicate or delete a bill. For example, I'll select this bill via the checkbox and use the Row Action menu to click Duplicate. A copy of the bill is instantly added to the table. This is especially useful if you have recurring bill transactions and don't want to re-enter the same details every time. To delete a bill or multiple bills, select one or multiple records. From the Row Action options, click Delete. A modal pops up for you to confirm. After confirming, the records are removed from the table. To export your bills, click the Export button. A modal appears asking if you'd like to export as an Excel file. Once you confirm, your bills are exported and saved to your system. And that's it for today. In our next video, we'll explore managing bill payments and attaching receipt evidence to your bills. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.